Sorry. We're gonna go for a ride up the river road. It's gonna be so beautiful. And we're all gonna be so happy just holding hands on our motorcycles and taking up to the countryside and down to the city side. And down back to my place side. And we're all gonna have a good time on my motorcycle. 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 I couldn't fit it in my garage. So we gotta build someplace to store it when it's not so warm outside. So we're gonna make a shed in the backyard where I can put my motorcycle and all my other little shit that goes with it, like my jacket and my helmet and all that shit. And I gotta put in the battery thing and all that. I don't know. That's just some shit that my brother told me. A motorcycle! My motorcycle! My motorcycle! My motorcycle! My motorcycle! My motorcycle! My motorcycle! Oh my God! Look at what my boyfriend bought me for my birthday! He's such a fucking peach, God bless him! It's a little passenger seat for my motorcycle so he can ride on the back like my motorcycle, bitch! Oh, he's gonna look so fucking cute waving at the passers-by! My motorcycle! 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 My motorcycle!
That was beautiful.